Hello everyone, Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders here. This video is going to be about buying within ranges and how to approach it. I made a very stupid mistake. Let's not call it stupid, because the second word I wanted to call it was a rookie mistake. I know not all rookies are stupid, but it happens. You make these mistakes that you don't make in a while. Just emotional. It happens to everyone. But just a foolish entry on my part here on RGLS. Late day yesterday. Was looking for a test of 35, 34, 35, maybe 36. If it could break the 32 and a half high a day. And really what my plan was taking it into the hold higher low of VWAP here late day. Looking for this higher low, this upwards trend to continue. Ideally, volume will follow through with that and shorts get squeezed. We break 32 and a half, maybe hold up there for a little bit. We end up getting to the mid 30s. And I foolishly got in at 31 cents, right around the higher end of the range. Not the bottom end, where you got support right around 26, where VWAP is around 27, 28 here, right near support. So if it does fail, you're risking not much at all. Compared to me getting in at 31 near the higher end of the range, not letting it at least develop and show that it wants to hold up there. No, just buying into the spike as it's getting into that price range. Some FOMO kicked in. Luckily, I put it on small size because I recognized I was being a little foolish. And then as I was in it, I forgot how cheap this price was. Not necessarily forgot, but I guess I'm so used to the 1 to 15 price range that I'm just not used to 2 cents lower for my entry being 6% down, and didn't prepare to stop out there. Should have got out right away around 29, but at that point a little bit of greed was it greed? I was being a little stubborn and just thought it would end up working out if it could end up holding, but clearly you get the weak volume push into a breakout level, high a day resistance level at the higher end of the range, and then it can't really maintain that. As you can see earlier in the day, it had a lot stronger volume, and it continually came in, leading to these nice ramp ups. But now we're getting a weaker push, and overall market isn't that great. Most plays aren't holding up and continuing. So stacking all these indicators together, I really shouldn't have taken it. Forget about the entry of where it was at 31. Just a lot of things in general haven't really totally been working out this market so far the past week or 2 weeks, since mostly this week that fear really kicked into the market. But yeah, so don't be buying at the higher end of the range. You mess up your risk. You might be left holding the bag. You don't give yourself time for it to develop and maybe break through that area, hold around it, that zone rather, and just teeter around that area, confirming it. At that point, it would be a different setup if volume continued to come in. It would look a little differently, but let me zoom in here as well, give you an idea of really what I was buying into. Into this here. After a roughly 10% move here, I really thought it was going to just take off some more. So, bad expectations and entry on my part in a market where you shouldn't really be gambling on anything led to a foolish loss of 120 bucks. Nothing I could do about it but learn. But just wanted to show how buying within the higher end of the range really messes up the angle, especially if it doesn't work out. Yes, at times, plays continue, especially in a bull market the past couple years where everything was pretty much just running higher. So that, is kind of the lesson for a lot of us, that, just tagging along as the momentum's coming in. It's gonna likely head higher. We're not in that market anymore. We haven't been in that market for months now, almost a year. And if you fail to adapt to what's happening in front of you, you won't survive. Simple as that. You're just gonna burn through your money, make yourself frustrated, have a hard time trading and looking at plays. But yeah, so buy near support, near on these dips, and sell it into the pops at key resistance areas. So that's really all the gist of this trade was, the lessons of it rather. So yeah, hope that was useful to anyone. Give this a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Besides that, check us out on TikTok, Twitter, both of those at Pack a Punch Traders. And then check us out on tradecaster.com for low cost live streams. Besides that, have a great night.